Hello and welcome. This is Vukile. Today we're going to work in the key of E flat, and E flat is right here. Or if you want, E flat is also called D sharp. Okay. Now the major scale for that, say on this first string, is so it ends here. That's an octave there. Now what we want to do is to use the thirds. Okay. I'll show you. We want to do a lick, but the lick is constructed from the thirds and the seconds. Okay. The seconds are these. Say from the key of D sharp. It's a sequence of seconds. Okay. That's a sequence there. So what you're doing with the sequence, you play 1 to 2, and then 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, and 7 to 1. That's a sequence there. Now on the thirds, you're playing. Say you're doing sequence. You can. So you're doing. Okay, then you end that. So the lick is starting from the fifth, and the fifth you are playing these thirds here on the fifth. 5. 5 is a major. 4 is a major. 3 is a minor. Okay, 2 is a minor interval, and or minor third, and the root is a major third. So from that way, major, minor, minor, major, major. Now on the seconds, you find that 1, 2. You find that 1 to 2. The seconds are played on the second string. So it's 1 to 2. That's a major second. 1 to 3. That's a major second. And 1 to let's begin that. 1 to 2, major second. 2 to 3, major second. 3 to 4, minor second. And 4 to 5, major second. 5 to 6, major second. 6 to 7, that's major second. And 7 to 1, that's a minor second. Okay. So let's go with the lick. It's a pretty good lick here. So we go. It goes. Let's do it again. So there's one thing that I need you to look at when I'm doing this. I'm changing my fingering quickly because the thirds are changing and the seconds are changing. So the first one, that's a normal. That's what the seventh. The second is starting off the seventh. It's the sixth to the fifth. So I best hit a third. That's a third. Then a second. That's a second. So there are two series going on there. So what I'm gonna do with this, I'm gonna do the lick, and then I explain a little bit of the techniques that we're using there. So the lick goes from a B flat. Gonna do it slowly. Again. 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 So this the first one is a third, which is a major third, then a major second up here. The second one is a major third down there. There's a sliding that goes on. So it's a major third and a major second. Then the next one is we slide to a major, sorry, a minor third, which, and there's a minor second as well. So be careful about the fingers; they're close together now. So the next one is a minor third, which is, and a major second. So there's a little bit of a stretch there, and back to the, that's the major third and major second. So we conclude by so that ending is a slide into that third, and then it's third, second, we hit second root. So then we go to seventh and end with the fifth. Okay, let's go back because this is our D sharp. So let's go back. Okay. Okay, so again, so let's repeat that. That's the most challenging place here. So it goes. Okay, that's good, and you can. Just imagine that chord progression going on in the background. You can play that lick there. Okay, thank you very much. My name is Vukile. I want you to practice that that lick there. I haven't practiced it much, but I thought about it and I thought I should just go straight onto it and just let you know about it, and then practice it, and with a drum it becomes a little bit more interesting, and you can master it very quickly with a drum. My name is Vukile, and I'll meet you in the next program. Please, I urge you to subscribe so that you receive some more as they happen here. Cheers, mates.